Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony G and you're watching 1526 Barbecue. On today's episode, I'm doing a collab video with some of my barbecue buddies. We thought it'd be really fun if we all came up with our favorite summer burger and showed you how we make them. So before we get started on showing you how I make my Spicy Firecracker Burger, I want you to check out the links in the description below. You can check out my boy James over at Backyard Smoke. He makes an awesome bison smash burger, or smash bison burger. My buddy SJ over at SJ Cooks shows us how he makes his Mexican burger. And my boy Ron over at Ron on the Grill shows us how he makes his favorite summer burger. Alright, so now that you know where to check out those awesome burger recipes, let's talk about the Spicy Firecracker Burger. The very first thing you want to do in this recipe is actually smoke a jalapeno the day before. So I found this one gigantic jalapeno, so I only used one. If I had found some smaller ones, I probably would have used two. You want to cut that thing right down the center and place it in your barbecue pit at 250 degrees for about an hour or so. Now I'm smoking on hickory pellets, but you can smoke on whatever you'd like. Now after your jalapeno is smoked for about an hour, you want to let it sit on the counter until it gets to room temperature. Now this next part you can skip if you don't have 24 hours to wait, but I think it's pretty important. Take that jalapeno that you just smoked, put it in a Ziploc, and throw it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours or until the next day. It's my opinion that anything you smoke, if you let it sit overnight, that smoke flavor kind of develops more, and you get a better smoke taste. So that's step one. You don't have to wait the 24 hours if you don't want to, but definitely let it come to room temperature. Alright, so now it's day 2 of the cook. The first thing you want to do is head outside and heat up your grill. Now you don't have to cook this on a smoker if you don't want to. I just prefer to be outside while I'm cooking. You can put the cast iron on your oven, or you can use a normal pan. You can use a griddle if you have that. Really, you just need a surface that'll get really hot so that you can smash these burgers and cook them up. Again, I did mine outside on my pellet smoker. So the first thing you're going to want to do is heat up your pellet smoker and make sure the cast iron's in there so it could also come to temp. Now while that's getting hot, go ahead and combine your ingredients together. Go ahead and grab that jalapeno pepper that you smoked yesterday, and we're going to dice it up into small pieces. And we're going to take 1 pound of ground beef. You can use 80-20. In this case I got some 75-25, but you want it to have pretty high fat content. Now to that ground beef, just add your jalapeno, add about a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue rub, another tablespoon or so of crushed red peppers, and just get in there with your hands and kind of mix it all together and incorporate all those flavors throughout the meat. So this was my first attempt at making a smash burger. What I did was I took the roughly 1 pound of beef and sectioned it into 4 sections, thinking I'd have 1/4 pound patties. You don't want to pack them too tight, you want it to be kind of loose. You're hoping to have these little air pockets so that when you smash the burger, those air pockets turn into extra browning and extra crisping of the meat. It worked out okay. Next time I try to make a smash burger, I think I'll use a little less protein so I could actually smash it a little better, but that's neither here nor there. Alright, so once your skillet's hot, just go ahead and take one of these little balls of meat that you have and smash it right into the skillet. Now this isn't going to take very long to cook. Maybe 2-3 minutes per side is all you're going to need. Depending on how hot your skillet is, you might actually start to burn on one side, so just be careful. Now after you flipped it and cooked both sides, you go ahead and throw a slice of cheese on. I got Colby Jack. You can use regular American if you want. Maybe some pepper jack if you think that's a good idea. It's up to you. Okay, so we now have our burgers. Let's assemble this thing. Get your favorite bun and toast it. I'm using potato rolls or potato buns because I love it. If you like sesame, use that. If you want brioche, use that. Whatever you want, right? Just give it a toast. That adds the texture that we're looking for. Okay, while the bread's toasting, we're going to whip together a really quick sauce that we're going to add to it. It's super simple. We're going to use some mayo and some sriracha. Put equal parts into a mixing bowl, mix them together. That's it, you're done. Alright, once the bread is toasted, let's go ahead and assemble our burger. So we'll take the bottom bread and spread or pour on some of this mayo sriracha. I like it messy, so I'm going to put a lot. I'm also gonna go ahead and stack 2 of these burgers on there. Now I'm gonna top it off with some of my spicy pickled onions. Now if you've been watching some of my videos, you know that I've been obsessed with these things the past couple of weeks. They're delicious. I have a link down below for the video where I show you how to make them. There's also gonna be a video up here in the card section. Check them out, they're super simple. It takes maybe 15 minutes to make, and in a couple hours they just come out perfect. Alright, so once you got the spicy pickles on there, this burger's done. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.